Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do ombre lips using two different shades of classic product. I'm going to be using my concealer, my foundation. These are all the products I'm going to be using today. Now the first thing you do is you pat the first color within, the color you want to be inside, then you align the second color outside, and then you just pat your lips. You continue patting till you get what you want. You can also use a brush if you choose to. And then what I'm doing here is I'm using my concealer around my lips. This is just to give it a beautiful finishing. I'm brushing it out, aligning it around my lips so that I get all the excess. And now what I'm doing is I'm brushing out the concealer to reduce it because it's too much. It's too thick, so I have to brush it out. And now you can see me putting my foundation just to blend out the concealer better. And you see the finishing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day.